Hi learners, you're welcome to our 7th lesson in integrated science, and today we are looking at light energy under section energy. Now, what are you expected to know by the end of the lesson? How to demonstrate rectilinear propagation of what? Light. To demonstrate or show rectilinear propagation of light. Now, what do we mean by rectilinear propagation of light? It refers to the fact that in a uniform or homogeneous medium, light travels in a straight line. In a uniform or homogeneous medium, light travels in a straight line. So now, to conduct experiments, we start with the title. Now, this is the title: experiment to demonstrate or show that light travels in a straight line. Experiment to demonstrate that light travels in a straight line. And what is the aim or the purpose or the target? Our aim is to show that light travels in a straight line. Then the diagram. These two diagrams will be explained. Should be looked at carefully. It consists of 3 cardboards here with the holes arranged in a straight line. A light source here and a light source in front, and then an observer's eye behind. In the second diagram, a shifting took place. So now let's go through the procedure. Procedure or method. We are saying that 3 cardboards A, B, and C, each with a hole in the center, are arranged so that the holes are aligned or arranged in a straight line. 2. A lighted candle is placed in front of cardboard A and light is observed behind cardboard C. Now, one of the cardboard is moved to misalign its hole to the others. In other words, we shift one of the cardboard so that the holes are no longer in straight line. So what will be observed? Good. We are saying that as soon as one of the cardboards is shifted so that the holes are no longer in a straight line, the observer no longer sees the light. The observer no longer sees the light. You should take note. Now, what does it tell you? Conclusion. It can be inferred or concluded from the experiment that light travels in a straight line. Okay? Now, by way of summary, we touched on rectilinear propagation of light, which is one of the properties of light, that light travels in a straight line. An experiment was conducted where 3 cardboards were used with holes created in their centers and arranged, first of all, for the holes to be in straight line. And when a light source was placed in front of the first cardboard, the light was observed by an observer's eye behind the last cardboard. But when one of the cardboards was shifted so that the holes are no longer in straight line, the observer does not see the light again. What is the conclusion? It tells you that light travels in a straight line. For our advanced learning, my dear learners, try and read on the operation of the pinhole camera. The pinhole camera for our next lesson. Try and do the exercise and submit the exercise in time. Till we meet again, it's bye.